innovative KAN-therm training center is back on the road. Last year, we traveled over 20,000 kilometers, visited 12 countries, and met and trained over 2,000 professionals like you. This year, we are upping our footprints on the installer market again. We will come to you so that you can get to know us even better and improve your skills. The KAN Mobile Training Center is a place where you will see the latest solution in the sanitary installation on the market. You will have the opportunity to test the most professional equipment, but also get answers to your questions and drink a good coffee. This year we are meeting in Croatia, Slovenia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, Montenegro, North Macedonia, Albania, Kosovo, Greece, Romania and Moldova. We will appear at the most important events in the installation industry, but we will also try to be wherever there are professionals using our products. Follow our website and Facebook. We will keep you updated on the places where you can meet us. See you in your city soon.